here we have the signature 48-inch range. This is a very unique item. Whenever you're cooking anything on your burner and you turn this on, you can actually start moving this over and start putting a timer on this. So you can also adjust the burners and reverse them to have wok cooking. Your left side, you're gonna have a Sous Vide. And on your right side, you're gonna have induction burners. So you're kind of getting best of all worlds. They're 30-inch oven. Very bright. Ball bearing racks. You get 2 of those. You get 1 normal rack. And you also get soft closing doors. On the 18-inch oven, you get normal racks. And you also get the steam option. Come see it at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. My name is Gil, and I'll be glad to help you out.